We're here at 210 Dryden Road to see a bedroom number 21. Let's take a look at this single room here on the second floor of this house. So let's come on in. You can see that we're furnished. We have the full-size bed. There's a dresser, a bookshelf, a desk and chair, and a mini fridge that comes with all the bedrooms. This one is at the front corner so we can see Dryden Road. The rooms will always have a closet. So here you have a single bedroom and then you share the kitchen and baths with other students. There are 2 bathrooms and a kitchen at the end of the hall. There are 7 singles on this floor. And that's a look at room 21 here at 210 Dryden Road.